Here we are at Crumpy's, and it is a wet day. So, we're all going to work together. It's really important we paddle effectively. It is going to be a little more challenging than usual to make the first move here. It won't be hard. Even if you get paranoid or whatever, just follow through the technique. Try to paddle effectively. I'll worry about everything else. I get excited and yell at you like a gunny sergeant. I'm trying to fix something I'm concerned about. Give me one. And we got Stan the man behind us. He can't help it. Help me. And probably about to say, give me two. He's one of my pals. We used to work together. Well, that's not a good feeling. Get ready, team. Give me two. Go. Stop. Give me one. Give me one more. Good line. It's going to be rowdy. Don't fall out. You might get a big hit up here. Give me one. Big hit, big hit. Hello, Robbie.